Today's look is for Cancers, and I decided to continuously mist my hair and skin with water throughout the video because I think that this fresh, just climb out of the body of water look fits Cancers most. Start with a base. Use a medium to low coverage foundation. Apply concealer with a flat brush, and don't forget to bounce the products into the skin gently with a wet sponge. Use a bright orange liquid blush and focus it on the apples of the cheeks. Apply a light pink blush right in the center of the cheeks. Apply shimmery peach color on your upper lids. Slightly powder under the eyes. Highlight your face. Fill in your brows. Brush your brows up with some brow gel. Apply rhinestones to your eyes, one on the upper lid, one on the lower lid, and another one at the outer corner. Apply mascara. Apply 2 pieces of a lash strip at the outer corners of the eyes. Apply a bit of nude lip pencil and blend it out. Use a bit of red gloss.